Hey guys, Mom here. We're going to do a first unboxing time with Mom. I got my first rhythm clock and I don't know. Let's see what we got, okay? Hope you enjoy.
I'm here too.
Are you watching?
Yes. How you doing? Hello.
Hey guys, Mom here. It is now time for unboxing time with Mom. I'm getting my first rhythm clock. I already cut most of the box open here. Oh, wait. Sounds like it's packed very well. I don't hear any pieces shaking, so I'm thinking that's a pretty good thing. Nicely packed. It's tight in here. There's a lot of stuff, so A+ to the shipper on packaging. Bubble wrap and around here, excellent job. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. You do not get this quality of packing unless you are doing it.
I'm not saying I'm good.
Look at that. Awesome. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and
You cut him off.
pull the paper off.
That's not a clock. It's a penguin. Ain't no clock, it's a penguin.
New in the box.
Any comments on the box?
Beautiful blue color.
Rhythm? Come on.
Oh, look at him.
Is it rhythm?
Oh, look at him. Oh, it's so cute.
It's kind of real.
My first rhythm clock.
You need like 4 double A's, I think.
I gotta check his butt out. I don't know.
What?
Oh, there's batteries in there.
Oh, that's
Not a good thing. They look good.
Well, I mean, look at the bottom of the battery.
Yeah.
Okay. No leakages. That's good.
On that one.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. That's no bueno.
Just one has a little bit.
Yeah.
Do you think it'll be bad?
I don't know. Could you fetch us 3 double A batteries?
I don't have any. There's none out there, and there ain't none upstairs. I have triple A's. For the remotes, I have no double A's. So no, I do not.
Look at that. I have 3. How perfect. Got him? Check him out, see if he's working.
What's he saying?
I have
Wake
no
up.
idea.
Wake up. Thank you for watching. Stay cashing, my friends.
You better redo it. Somebody was talking in the
No
background.
kidding. Thank you for watching. Stay cashing, my friends. If you know, you know. For all you OGs out there.